So this is part 3 of 3 when it comes to nutrient timing. Ideally, you're hungry when you wake up and you're resting when you go to bed. Sometimes when we're at rest, we feel hungry because that's when hunger cues are best, or when you can be in tune to them. So people say, well, I feel really hungry when I'm going to bed. Well, because you're relaxed, because your sympathetic nervous system is turned off and your parasympathetic is turned on. And so what I would suggest, there's a difference between fullness at a meal and then fullness in between meals, and that's called satiety. So what helps with satiety, fullness between meals, is typically protein. Protein, that nutrient, will typically help your fullness between meals. Fiber and fat will typically help with fullness at meals. And so that means you're able to push away your plate when you're feeling full. But then when you reach for your next plate in 2 to 3 to 4 hours will be dependent upon your satiety. How satisfied were you with that meal, where you can then continue through your life and not be hyper-focused on the next meal. If you're eating your meal and thinking about the next meal already, something's happening where your thoughts are hyper-focusing on the future or even the past. So remaining present would be, okay, I can be fully present and I'm not having internal dialogue of distraction of food. The timing of meals, in theory, should be 3 to 4 times a day. If it's once or if it's 10, something's happening with metabolism, thoughts, emotions, hormones. There could be so many things happening. But ideally, it's 3 to 4 times a day where you're feeling satisfied in between meals and can function and not have food thoughts distracting you from connection. Hope that helps.